Hi Asad, this is Viplavi speaking and this is my daily checklist video. Today I started my work at 9 a.m. in the morning. I to check all my mail, beta team and also a rental channel. I do all as well as, and then I check ultimate list, and over there I check my product and also I check BA task management. I already scheduled a Goldcrest PO form. I made it and set it on the channel. Please check it. And then I make some video, work on process state. Today I work on step 2. I am making Bangla video. So I set step 2 as a Bangla video. Please check out to what the condition actually, and made also another video is Jungle Scout, and also work on KGG ad, and I reply one new tenant person mail, and I do not get any new one detail actually, and I understand you said this all new KG inquiries must be added to top of the board. Next time I will follow as your instruction. So this is today's work actually. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.